Introduction. Discover natural, effective holistic beauty treatments for glowing skin, healthy hair, and total wellness, inside out the natural way. A healthy diet is the foundation of natural beauty. 1. Eat clean for clear skin. Consume antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts to fight skin damage. Include omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flax seeds to reduce inflammation and dryness. Remember, your skin reflects what you eat. By nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense meals, you support natural skin renewal and build a glowing complexion from the inside out. 2. Embrace natural skincare. Switch to chemical-free skincare products to avoid harsh ingredients that strip your skin of its natural oils. Choose gentle cleansers, rose water toners, and plant-based moisturizers like shea butter or jojoba oil. Consistency and nature-based ingredients lead to healthier, more resilient skin without the side effects of synthetic chemicals.